Hi everyone, this is Rose from Bitpos and welcome to another episode of our top 5 frequently asked questions. And today we'll be talking about the frequently asked questions for pharmacy type of business. Number 1 is compliance and regulation. Yung system po ba natin, is it BIR accredited po? The answer for that one is yes. BIR accredited po yung software natin and we do provide processing assistance and of course nakakapag-print na po tayo ng sales invoice po. Next is for the inventory management. Ano po ba yung process ng inventory management ng system natin? So we have here our back office under item/inventory side. In terms of encoding po, napakadaling gamitin and gawin because we have an Excel option here in the software, which is what we call download Excel for bulk editing. Aside from that one po, meron po tayong inventory item movement. Say for example, I have a specific medicine here, let's say multivitamins Enervon. Lahat ng process ng quantity in and quantity out, pati po yung on hand and then the price and then the puhunan of the item, meron po tayong recording. Aside from that one, under reports and analysis, we do have a report called stock checking with expiration dates. So you can specifically select a specific date that shows expired stocks only. In my end, I am going to generate po ngayong September 1, 2026 po. And then, display ko lang po yan dito sa system. And automatically, it gives me the list of gamot, kung ano yung mag-expired. And you see here, may paracetamol Tempra Forte, ito yung expiry date niya, pangalan ng supplier, kung sino yung nag-supply, at ilang quantity on hand yung product natin. So, yes, we are equipped with inventory management naman po. Next is sa purchase management naman. So sa system natin po, it's really nice because we do have this feature called suppliers profiling. So lahat ng mga suppliers natin ay kaya na nating ma-input dito sa software. And example, if I have a specific supplier here na yung pangalan ay si Med Suppliers. So for this one po, all transactions from my supplier from PO, from delivery, from invoicing, from payment, and then pagre-returns from bad orders, kaya na po nating ma-input sa system. And I also have this automated PO process that it generates a PDF file type of PO that looks like this one. You may download it and print it or pwede naman po nating ma-email directly sa supplier. We can also create templates po para hindi na din mahirap yung process ng pag-PPO natin towards our supplier. In case naman po, kung pinapautang tayo ng suppliers natin, you can actually see here in my transactions na meron po akong terms for 14 days and I have an outstanding balance of 4,000 pesos. So yung system po natin ay kaya naman po niyang mag-record ng mga accounts payables. Okay? Next is enhanced security. So the system can accommodate multiple user accounts po with specific roles and accesses. So for each and every accounts po, you can actually see here, ito yung mga features na pwede nilang gawin. You can assign specific tasks. If you want to assign it, just check the boxes. And if i-assign natin siya, uncheck lang po natin yung mga boxes na iyan. Very direct to the point approach. And lastly is the senior citizen discounts. So yung system natin, kaya naman po niyang magkaroon ng senior discount. Automatic po siya. Say for example, I have my multivitamins here. I have my Biogesic. And I have my test item which is yun yung maintenance med ng senior citizen natin. I can select specific or individual item lang. Here in the system na si test lang yung the-discountan natin for senior citizen. I just tap yung SDI, input ko lang yung 20% discount, and then you can also see that it automatically computes the last VAT plus 20%. I can now input the details of my senior citizen. Say, for example, the name is SC-Jesatan, and the ID of the senior citizen po, kaya na din natin yang ma-incorporate sa system. Once I tap OK, upon payment, lagay ko lang yung pera ng senior citizen, and then magpiprint po yung aking receipt, and magbubukas po yung aking drawer. So here in my official receipt po, makikita po natin yung mga breakdown ng VAT ng senior citizen natin, the discountable, the non-discountable, and of course, the customer name po na si Jessa.